Suitable for my antioxidant support needs. Ayan. This is my second box. Ayan. The other one I purchased from another shop. Ayan. Prompt shipping and careful packaging made the purchase hassle-free. Ayan. Considering the positive result, I plan continue using for better outcomes. Ayan. The affordability compares to other option is an definitely plus. Ayan. Highly recommended. O diba guys, talagang namang highly recommended po talaga itong ating Ishin Glutathione po, lalo na yung ating Ishin Cream po. Kasi mayroon po siyang triple glutathione blend at mayroon po siyang oral sunblock po. So magiging ma-achieve natin yung glowing skin. Hindi lang po tayo for whitening, hindi lang po siya for whitening talaga, kundi nakaka-help po siya para protectionan po yung ating mga skin from skin damages or UV rays. Ayan. So try natin guys, mag-invest po tayo sa ating mga sarili at lagi niyong tatandaan na pag sinabing glowing skin, Ishin lang yan.